Hello there. So on this episode, what we're gonna do is we're gonna change out a outlet on the wall. I'm gonna show you how to do that. What you need is you need one of these. I'm just joking. You don't need this. You don't need a tool at all. In fact, all you need is you need to go to the store and you're gonna buy one of these. Okay? You buy the outlet, and what is special about this one is it's gonna have USB. So you can plug in your phone cord. Okay, they have a lot of different models, so you can just plug in your phone cord and you can plug in your iPad or whatever you want. And you have to buy the faceplate that goes over the outlet when you're doing this, okay? So we're gonna change out the outlet. We're gonna change it from a normal traditional outlet to a USB outlet, okay? You can do both. They got, this is a USB type A. I think it costs like maybe $20 or something over at Home Depot. It's pretty cheap, doesn't take long to do. Let's get started. Okay, now, before you do this, what you want to do, turn off the power. Go to your garage or to your laundry room, you'll see the gray box, okay? Just turn off the power that coordinates with the room you're working in. So turn off the power, very important. The tools you're gonna need also is going to be a flathead, unscrew that. You're gonna need some wire cutters, so when you pull the outlet out, you can cut the wires off. Okay, also have this wire cutter, this is a pretty good one. And then this also strips the wire on the outside. And we grabbed a Phillips, the X type of screwdriver, the Phillips. And that's pretty much all you need. So let's get started. Let's go turn off the power. So here we are at the main electrical box, and it's written right here, main bath, okay? Master bed and bath. What we're gonna do is, and this is number 11, number 9. Now I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna switch it off. Let's see here, it's kind of dark right here. There it is, number 11, number 9. Okay, number 11, 9, right there. Yes, like that. This is it right here. Now, as you can see, green. Okay, and then we also got white, blanco in Spanish, and then hot. That's gonna be your, the hot wire. So here we are. We're just gonna unscrew. Okay. Set that over here. Got that. Now you grab your Phillips, like this. Unscrew it. Maybe you want to use a screw gun, impact, or a drill, and it'll go a whole lot faster. I'm kind of lazy today, so just doing it like this. It's your ground right here. You got your hot wire, black one, and you got your negative wire. See this white one? Black, white, ground. That's it. So you're gonna disconnect it from here, the ground. All you gotta do, pretty much, that's all you're doing, disconnecting it. Then you can cut this if you want, start fresh, and then you are gonna connect it to this. So let's do that. So I got the 14 right there. Stripped it. We got our 2 ends, ready to rock and roll. Grab this. Now let's hook it down in here. Black, white, and the ground. When you put this in there, make sure you put it the correct way up, okay? You don't want to put it in and have it be upside down, right? All right, let's put it in. Now you take this right here. It's got this little screw right here, okay? It goes in just about there, and right there, okay? So take that, match it up. Put that on there. Take your plate. Okay. It says top. It says top, right? Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go turn the power on, test it out. Let's go.
Now it's time to turn the power back on.
Okay, so the power's back on. This is all mounted. It's all good to go. Let's test it out. Moment of truth. Make sure you subscribe and share this video. And what else? Let's grab an electronic device. Okay. And let's plug it in. Oh, look at that. It works. Okay. 3:20 p.m. Oh my God. Yeah, we got lightning bolt. That works. Let's test this out. Okay. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.